And I was so new. I asked him, "Where is this fan? Where is this fan located?" And he jokingly he told the other guy, "Please open Google Map for him and show him the route." So that's how yani, it was my I started, and then now, Alhamdulillah, now I am dealing with the fans, balancing, leading my team. So it's like this.
Hello, welcome back to Maintenance Maestros. I'm Melissa from Groundup.ai, and this is the podcast where we shine the light on the real world stories of maintenance pros transforming their careers and industry. So, last episode, we talked about what leaders are really looking for from their teams beyond just quick fixes. And today, we're taking that conversation right to the front lines with Muneeb. We're getting a candid look at his journey from technician to leader, what it takes, the challenges, and those crucial early wins. So grab your coffee or your hard hat and let's dive in. So hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce our guest, Muneeb. He's the lead condition monitoring engineer and he's on the front lines of making predictive maintenance a reality. So Muneeb, welcome to Maintenance Maestros.
Thanks a lot, Melissa, for inviting me to this wonderful postcard. First of all, uh, myself, I'm engineer Muneeb. I'm currently working in Saudi Arabia, Al Jof Cement Company, and I'm leading the condition monitoring department here.
Mhm.
Uh, since 7 years, I'm here in this position. My start was very rough, and it was not a very smooth start. You know, we have to start from somewhere. So my start was very rough. I was not like started as a properly condition monitoring trained personnel. Like when I was inducted, or when someone took my interview, my ex boss actually. So at that time I had no even idea where I'm going and where I'm applying for, because at that time I was looking for a job. But luckily I found very good and nice boss who took my interview, and he just asked me a few things and he told me just come, it's good. Because sometime some people sees few things in you, like they have third eye, they can see some potential in you. So
Mhm.
my boss, I think he saw something in me, and he gave me this chance to lead the condition monitoring department. At that time, for sure, he not directly gave me this chance, but when I got induction, he got me trained. He It was a very rough time, but that's how it is.
Okay. So how long have you been with the in your role as in your journey from like when you first started to now? How many years have that has that been?
It's been 10 years. I have started, and I started from scratch actually. Uh, I started build myself. Firstly, I saw that this field is very interesting. And
Mm-hmm.
my boss, at that time, I was just into the inspections, not in the condition monitoring, not in the PDM.
I see. So actually, that's quite in line with the initiative that we're talking about last episode with our C-suite leader. Yeah, so he
Yeah.
was saying that you need to show the initiative before someone approaches you. That's how you actually move up in your career because it's really about yourself and your interests. And then like other people, like the management will be able to recognize that and then they will can help you along the way. You need to really like show that yourself.
I was so much interested
Mhm.
that I came into this way, and actually, you have to ask yourself that what is inside you, which can give you something. And you have to pick actually one path by yourself. It's up to you. Nobody will come to ask you. Nobody will give you direction.
Mhm.
Firstly, the basic structure you have to find yourself, which I tried to find, and I think I have found. And daily I'm learning. I will never be perfect for sure. I'm
Mhm.
still learning. Maybe I'm 1%, maybe not even 1%. Still, daily I'm learning, experimenting new things. One equipment, uh, maybe I have solved problem for one equipment, maybe of 10 different types. Yani every month it will give you different type of problem. and it will be a different type of experience. Like CBM Connect, I am sharing my articles on the CBM Connect also. Uh, if somebody is interesting, he can see. They are also, it's also a very good platform anyway. So we are doing very good experiments out of the box. We are thinking, not theoretically, practically. We are doing things. So, but these things we learn from practical experiences, failures, uh, like this. Actually, PDM, which I'm following, it's about the predictive maintenance totally. We
Okay.
have we have a big team,
Mm-hmm.
and they are very good guys. We have good equipment. We have vibration analysis tools.
Yeah.
Like we have routes. We have to go one by one to each equipment. Uh, Actually, if we have to fix our equipment, we have to take care of our equipment. We have to be very, you can say, vigilant, and we have to think that this is equipment is like my personal belonging.
Mm.
Then we can feel things what equipment is feeling. Maybe if you pass by the equipment, it's not vibrating, it's not giving you any temperature, it's not giving you any sign. But with your experience, with your vibration analysis, or with your predictive maintenance techniques, you can figure out the things way earlier uh, than it can happen. So that's how we are working. Our team is working. Yani, we have routes daily, weekly, monthly. That's how we are checking our equipments. If we find something, if we find that something is abnormal, we directly involve the corrective executions teams, and we get that thing inspected and directly go for the maintenance corrective action.
Okay, very interesting. Okay, so we also talk about like initiative and how you applied it to your current job role. So maybe could you share a bit like the challenges that you face along the way, trying to implement all these personal initiatives and your growth from that?
Yes, for the personal initiative, yes. When I actually joined my team, at that time, there was no routes were not in progress. There was no any condition monitoring routes.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually built my team. I was alone. Then one, two, three, four. I started gathering my team. Then we implemented the condition monitoring routes. Like today you have to go there. Today you have to go there. Then you have to make report. You have to prepare this. So
Mm-hmm.
this way we started the initiative. We started this program in my current workplace. So this was the initiative for me to start, and it's going very smooth. And this way we are predicting things way earlier than the things were going before.
That's very good, very good. So, how about like the recognition part from like I know peers because you already gathered the group. How about recognition from your superiors, like your bosses? Like, what do they think about this?
It was very nice because when I started, I was not certified in the vibration analysis, but my ex-boss, Mr. Ali Suleiman, he got me. He encouraged me for this, and he was weak at three, so it gave me any confidence that if I'm doing this, that means now it's my job, and I have to build my career in this thing
Mm,
because. Day by day I was learning, and I was seeing left and right that this field is very good, and it's a universal field. It's not like only in one workplace. You can in any industry, if PDM exists, predictive maintenance department is there, reliability department is there, condition monitoring, vibration analysis, ultrasound, thermography, it will be there. So it was a very wise decision. He gave me this confidence. Then I started. Little bit I was fearful. Maybe I can do. I cannot do. I don't know. But anyway, I started, and it went very smooth. It was not very tough because basic knowledge was with me already. I was doing practical experience. I was doing fan balancings. I was doing vibration analysis. Uh, so once, actually, in my case, it was little bit different. People came. Uh, they do certifications, they do things. I was degree holder, I was mechanical engineer, by the way, but people do certifications, then they jump into the field. But in
Mm,
my case, I was doing practical experience, then I jumped into the certification.
mhm,
So when you have practical experience and you jump into the certification, then it's very nice. When you are studying theoretically, okay, I was doing this, oh nice, it was like this, it was not like that. So you
mm,
have many questions.
mhm.
So journey was very good, and certification was also very good. And Mobius is a very well reputed organization.
That's right, that's right. Okay,
Yes.
cool. That's with your boss. So how about with like your colleagues? Were they like starting to ask you questions since you like went through the certification, you have like a certain kind of knowledge? Would they ask you like, oh, Muneeb, like how should I go about like fixing this? Was this happening among your peers?
Day on daily basis, I'm giving them lectures, trainings, the data which I have. Also, I'm encouraging them to get certified. When you are ready, it's up to you, but at least you have to get certified, because if you are doing something, let's do it officially, which can help you in the future, which can, maybe you are here, maybe next year you are not here, but at least you will be doing very good job in the future with
Mm,
some good certification.
that's right. Yeah, I love it about how you are paying it forward. Definitely a good thing to do. Yes. So, so looking ahead, what are you hoping for in like in this industry? Where do you see this personal growth taking you in forward in your career?
Uh, Very nice question. Actually, I want to build my own setup, to start my own program like this, which way I will start a good team,
Mm,
a team which can think out of the box, do things with the combination of practical knowledge and the theoretical knowledge.
mm,
Because industry is evolving and growing day by day. Equipment is behaving differently. If somebody do certification, FFT spectrum, commonly when we take vibration data, it reflect on the FFT spectrum. It will give you 1x. Okay, 1x peak is coming.
mhm,
Uh, if you only see through the book will tell you, okay, unbalance, but it's not unbalance.
mhm,
As per my experience, and I have seen many content makers, some experienced guys, maybe 50 or maybe more than problems, more than 50, 60 problems are revolving around 1x peak, 1x frequency peak. And now it's up to you, it's up to your experience to figure out from where this 1x is coming. In my
mm,
experience, I have seen bearing is broken, 1x is coming. There is unbalance in the impeller, 1x is coming. Coupling is broken, 1x is coming. So it's not about the theoretical knowledge only rely on the FFT spectrum. So basically, it's about your experience. And this I want to in the future to make some literature about this practical thing, that
mm,
how this things are behaving and how we have to go the other way.
okay. So like putting all your knowledge in like a library that you can share with others who are
Yes.
aspiring to be in your position someday, right? That's very nice. Okay, so is this like a path that your company is pushing you towards? You think it's progressing that way, or is it like a personal initiative that you're just going for it?
Actually, the companies, they have some
Mm,
common goals, they have some objectives which they have to achieve. But
yes.
as an individual, I have some other goals. Like, for sure, I'm doing work which my management has assigned, which I will keep on doing. But as an individual, this is my own goal and
Mm.
my own, you can say, strategy, which I'm going to implement in the future, inshallah.
Okay, okay, good, good. Thank you, Muneeb. I think it's very inspiring and relatable for our listeners. Really, it's like a, machine whisperer, that the term that we call it. Like you really need to understand the machines and feel what they are feeling in order to predict and determine the problem so you can help them fix it. So I think your experience and expertise is really like honed along the way to put you actually where you are today. So yeah, so thank you for sharing your journey on Maintenance Maestros today. Yeah.
Thanks a lot for inviting me. It's my honor, and I really appreciate. Thanks a lot for inviting me.
And to our listeners, Muneeb's journey is a powerful reminder that you don't need a fancy title or massive budget to start making a difference. Start where you are, track those small wins, help your colleagues, and don't stop being curious. That's how you go from wrench to lead. Join us next time as we dive into another untold story of maintenance transformation. Thank you.